रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Sunday welcomed the guidelines issued by the centre the lockdown extension till May 31st and said that the guidelines for lockdown 4.0 were largely in line with the proposal sent by the Delhi government. Centre's guidelines are largely in line with the proposal sent by Delhi government based on suggestions of lakhs of Dalits. We have used the lockdown period to prepare our healthcare system if corona cases increases, but it is now time to relax the restrictions to some extent, Kejriwal tweeted. Delhi government will prepare the detailed plan for Delhi based on the centre's guidelines and announced it tomorrow, he added. Delhi Chief Minister once again made it clear that he would take steps to reopen Delhi as much as possible in lockdown 4.0, but hinted that he would prefer a phased removal of the lockdown. It may be recalled that on 4 May, CM Kejriwal had said Delhi was prepared to ease restrictions in place other than containment zones because Delhi is prepared in terms of hospitals and kits. The time has come to reopen Delhi. We will have to be ready to live with coronavirus, he said. Meanwhile, the centre on Sunday said that states and union territories can demarcate red, orange and green zones in order to manage coronavirus COVID-19 containment activities from Monday. Union Health Secretary Preeti Sudan sent a letter to all state chief secretaries and listened. Union Health Secretary Preeti Sudan sent a letter to all state chief secretaries and listed out the factors that the state must keep in mind while classifying districts in different zones and follow ground level action.
आप देख रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर